Thank you. Before I take questions, I want to provide an update on the situation at our LaSalle Veterans Home. As of this morning, 39 of 96 residents have had their most recent test for COVID come back positive, along with 21 staff members. To date, we have sadly lost 32 residents at LaSalle to COVID-19. Earlier today, our Department of Veterans Affairs announced that IDVA Assistant Director Anthony Vaughn will be taking over as the interim LaSalle Home Administrator, effective immediately. The independent investigation into the actions of leadership and staff will continue, as will our work with the Federal Veterans Administration experts to ensure that all of our veterans' homes are fully in compliance with all required health and safety measures. We will do everything possible to safeguard the lives of our heroes. Let us make no mistake. These tragic losses serve as a stark and painful example of what happens when community spread is rampant. I mentioned earlier that the number of Illinoisans we're losing each day has surpassed our record from the spring. The same is true nationally. The United States is currently losing on average 1.5 American lives to COVID-19 every single minute. The loss of life at our LaSalle Veterans Home is heartbreaking, which is why I continue to use every resource at my disposal to stop the community spread that makes this virus so insidious. We have grieved for far too many of these fatal outbreaks in nursing homes in every corner of Illinois, not to mention in every corner of the nation. In LaSalle County, where positivity rates have been much higher than the state average, despite tight rules surrounding mitigations and testing, there are 3 homes with outbreaks that were more fatal than this one. Yes, this virus preys on the elderly, and it looks for a carrier to bring it inside a home even when significant efforts are made to follow mitigations. But it should never have been this bad. For months now, I have fought so hard to make sure people understand the importance of wearing masks, the importance of reducing opportunities for transmission, the importance of local law enforcement following through on their mission to serve and protect by ensuring mitigations are followed. These actions might seem small to some, but applied collectively and consistently, they prevent tragedies like this. This is why I'm infuriated by those who oppose proven mitigations at every turn, but now profess belated concern. The worst case scenario that I have tried every day to prevent is now our reality in LaSalle. To all those who have lost someone they loved, I grieve with you for the time that was stolen from you. I grieve with you that the refrain of vaccines as a light at the end of the tunnel rings hollow to you, because a light has already left your life. And I promise you, I will not stop looking for ways that we can do more to save lives and protect our most vulnerable Illinoisans from this pandemic.